Alright, this is a quick video to showcase how we can use or make Captain Ajit Vadakayil.in, the new WordPress blog site, as a search engine to search the same WordPress site very conveniently. So, as you all know, we have been struggling to find accurate search results from ajitwadakayil.blogspot.com from Google, and we have shifted to Yandex search engine, right? And we use Yandex because that gives us better results with Vadakayil tag word. We use Swiss cows also. I mean, this is my own extra suggestion, but let's stick to Yandex for my example today. But what is the topic today for exactly? As you all know, Captain Ajit Vadakayil has parallelly started a new WordPress blog site, captainajitwadakayil.in, and it has it has a lot of content being transferred from his old other blog, and he is also putting plethora of polls. As you can see on the left, this is the poll number 45, and there are many more polls. But the thing is, if you have to search anything from this website, from Captain Ajit Vadakayil, how do you do? Okay, so one simple logic is to go to a search engine. So we will go to Yandex, we will type Vadakayil and type, let's say, truth exhuming poll, and let's say 45. Okay, and you get the poll on the top, right? But let's say I want to see all the polls, the links, and if I remove the number poll, the number 45, what do I get? So I do get random results like poll number 43, Vadakayil to truth exhuming polls. If I check this, okay, this is from the old blog. I mean the other blog where Captain is collating all the polls. Give me a second to load. As you can see, all the polls are loaded. But if we want to search the new blog of Captain Ajit Vadakayil in a thorough way, right? We want to get rid of this problem which Google has been harassing us with. We want to make sure that we get what we want to search. How do we do that? So as you would have seen the title of this video, we are trying to make Captain Ajit Vadakayil as our search engine for this very WordPress new blog. Okay, I will show you how does it work. So if you are using Yandex browser, this is the Yandex browser which I'm using. Okay, this is the Yandex. You have lot of I have lot of search engines configured here. I'll remove Facebook. We don't need Facebook. Okay, so we have Yandex, we have Swisscause, we have Bing. Okay, so what I am exactly suggesting. So as I have already used Captain Ajit Wadak, I've entered this blog address in my address bar. There is a good thing in Yandex that it catches that for a search purpose. Let me go to the settings. Okay. So I'll click this button. Okay, you can see. Click this 3-line button. Go to settings. Okay. On the very first page, you will see search engine settings. Right? Click on that. Here you go. So the default search engine we are using is Yandex. Okay. Now here is a list of websites which can be turned into search engines for that particular website only. I'm not referring to DuckDuckGo or Bing, but I'm referring to Unsplash, Captain Ajit Vadakayil, ajitwadakayil.blogspot.com, and other similar websites. Okay, So I can search. The Yandex browser catches the blog of Captain Ajit Vadakayil.in directly, and if I click it set as default, it will become the search engine. Done. Okay, so you can see we have the default search engine set as Captain Ajit Vadakayil. Now, if I want to check the poll of Gandhi versus Godse, I will just type here POLL Gandhi Godse, and instead of opening any browser, it will directly come to this WordPress site. It will give me this poll number 8. Is this the same poll? Let's check out. I've opened in a new browser. Yes, you can see Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Among these two men, who was the traitor to the button? Gandhi. Submit. All right. So you get the result accurately on spot using the search option, because there is no inbuilt search option right now on the blog. On another good thing is that once the search results have come, you get this. Okay, here it's not showing more options because all the results fit into one page. Okay, I'll show you what I'm saying. Let me try one more search result. Vadakayil Sikhism. Okay, so here it's nothing found because I have entered a wrong spelling, as you can see. So it's not very error free, but obviously if the spelling is right, it won't give you much problem. So I'll correct the spelling. Here you go. So we have the results. So these are actually Sanatana Dharma posts, but they have mention of Sikhism somewhere. If I open this first blog, it's on Sanatana Dharma, but if I press Ctrl F and if I do Sikhism, I should get, there you go, there is Sikhism here, there is Sikhism here. So there is some mention of Sikhism in this blog, and that's why the result is coming on top. And you have subsequent results which have some mention of Sikhism somewhere. You have a poll also which would be having Sikhism in it. Okay, so you see Sikhism is here, right? And you have all the blog addresses, and you have the list. You can see, you can get the entire list of posts, older posts which have Sikhism as a mention. So this is a very good way to search this new blog which Captain Ajit Vadakayil started, and it's very interesting to get the results the way we want, because that option doesn't come in the WordPress site directly. Okay, now I will show you how does this work even if you want this in any of your browser, and if you don't want to make it as your default search. Okay, I'll tell you how it works and how you can use any keyword to search this. Let me explain what I mean. So in the settings, we had made Captain Ajit Vadakayil WordPress site as our default search engine. I will change that to Yandex. Alright, so that I can use my Yandex browser for my general search purpose, because we have to even search our captain's blogspot.com for our needs. Now what I'll do is, you can see here Captain Ajit Vadakayil is there in the list. I will click on it and I will get this kind of a pop-up. This is very simple. It might look little tricky, but nothing is tricky here. So this is any name which you want to set. So Captain Ajit Vadakayil is the name of this search engine. I have set a keyword Vadakayil. Okay, Vadakayil is the keyword, and this, let this remain as it is. This can be used for other browsers also, which I will show you soon. Now I will click save. Okay, so we know that the keyword is Vadakayil, which is the main thing. Now even if the browser the search engine is Yandex, what I will do, so if I type anything Ajit Vadakayil, it opens the Vadakayil blogspot and the search result. So we don't want Yandex, we want direct search result. Okay, So since I told you Vadakayil was set as the keyword, we will type, let me close this, we will type exactly same, no spelling mistake, Vadakayil, and press a space. The moment you press space, what do you see there? It catches the WordPress site. Now, if I again press any search item, sick, okay, and enter, it directly gives me a search result from the WordPress site in a detailed way. Detailed as in all the results, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because if I log into the WordPress site directly, here I am going directly. If I go to the blog or even on the front page, I can see the post. But if I have to go or search anything, there is no way to search in the WordPress site. You can just go chronologically, front or back, and that's the way you search. You can load more posts, but it will stop beyond a point. It would not show old posts. One thing can be done is a calendar plugin can be put by Captain Ajit ji, but let's see whether he does that. But you won't get all the posts if you keep clicking load more posts as I had tried earlier. It will stop one time and it won't go way beyond a particular day. As you see, now I cannot click load more posts, and the last post is visible is only January 19, although the older posts are still there on the blog, but you can't go directly, so you can't see everything easily here. But if you use Vadakayil as a search keyword built into your browser, it helps you tremendously. Okay, let me tell you how you can make this kind of a search arrangement in any browser. Okay, so I will show you in Yandex what the settings were. You can, I will have those settings in the YouTube description also, so need not worry in case you miss out. So I have settings, search engine settings, and we will just have this open here. Let me show you how this works similarly in Edge browser. All right, so in Edge browser I will go and go to settings. Okay, settings, and I will go to, let me just search directly for search engines. So here if I click search, and all right, so manage search suggestions, search engine use, this is the result I get. Okay, or maybe I can click this privacy search and services, address bar, manage search suggestion. I'll go here, manage search engines. So here you go. So here we have Bing, Yahoo, Google, blah blah blah, but you don't get Captain Ajit Vadakayil directly cached the way Yandex catches. Even if I log into Captain Ajit Vadakayil here, it won't catch. So you have to do it manually, which I will show you right now. So even though I have logged into the website, okay, this is nice. Edge browser has cached the Captain's blog as an option for search engine. If let's say it doesn't, okay, let me just remove this. You have to just click add here. Okay, give a name, Captain Ajit Vadakayil. Okay, here the keyword can be anything, V, D, AV, Ajit Vadakayil, whatever you feel like. Okay, let me try AV as a quick way to get things done. And then this URL, what you have to do is copy paste the same thing which was there in Yandex. It's a common thing for any browser. That's it, right? Add. All right, now the Edge browser is configured for, it's configured for Bing as a default search engine, but I can use this keyword AV to trigger search from Captain Ajit Vadakayil's WordPress blog. So I have to just go to the URL, the address bar, press AV, press space. There you go. Search Captain Ajit Vadakayil. Right? Now I'll press. What should we try to search? We will search Danava. Okay, Danava civilizations. We just want to search Danava. Okay, enter. Yes, so this is the search results we get, and we get every blog result from this from this site, which is very good. 1, 2, 3. You don't miss out. There is a mention of Danava in any blog, in any poll, in anything. You get all the results here. This is amazing. I mean, because we need to get what we want, and we are not dependent on any search engine for this WordPress website. So let me just show you this poll that it is an accurate search what we have done. So this is poll number 7. Here you go. There is Kerala Danava Sage mentioned. That's why it comments the search result. Poll number 6. Danava. Okay, so this is how it works accurately. Only issue is there are only 2 small issues which shouldn't be a problem anyway, that your spelling should be accurate. If you do a spelling mistake, it will not search for a similar spelling and give you a search result. It will directly say no result. So let me just show you that. So remember, we had set in Edge browser settings AV as our keyword. Okay, anything, you can set it anything. Right click here, edit AV, make it Vadakayil. Okay, save. Okay, go to a browser, Vadakayil. Okay, and then press space. The moment you press space, it will catch. Search Captain Ajit Vadakayil. And now I'll press Danava. So I'll make a spelling mistake purposefully, and I'll press enter. And the results are there, but they will be less accurate. Okay, because Danav is still a word, a part of Danava. So maybe I'll have to make a bigger spelling mistake for it to give no search. See, so if I here I have made a spelling mistake, so it's not catching the search. Now Vadakayil is the correct keyword, space, and here there you go, and I say DNV A. So nothing found. So from DNV it doesn't catch Danava. So just be mindful of that. And this method only works in browsers. It doesn't work for mobile browsers. So I would recommend that you all use browsers on laptop PC to understand and get search results in a better way. I'll show you a last method in Opera browser that it works in any browser. I'll go to settings, and in settings I will search directly. It's better to search. So write in search engines. You will always get a manage search engines option. I will click that. All right, you can see that. There you go. So this Captain Ajit Vadakayil had set earlier. Okay, and I've given the keyword Vadakayil. This URL is very simple. I will put this URL in the description of YouTube video. You can copy paste here, and the name can be anything. Keyword is what you need to know, because that is what you will type. So I will take a new tab. I will put Vadakayil. Spelling is right. It's right. Press space. There you go. It catches the thumbnail of the captain's blog. His image is visible. So it has catched the website. Now I'll type anything. I'll type Chanakya. Or I type Chanakya poll. Let me see what I get. So truth examining poll number 38. Declares Captain Ajit Vadakayil declares today that the father of our nation is Aryan Kerala Nambudri Professor Chanakya. This is what we want to get as our top result without any issues. And for everybody, Captain has been insisting on, let me show you his latest comment. Okay, pardon me for the wrong language, but we need this. Okay, we readers really need this, we Indians really need this, otherwise we won't move our bum at any cost. Okay, so don't give excuses. Now I have given you a method which I will be using myself very actively. What you have to do is make sure you participate in each and every poll. How do you get to polls? I'll give you a nice method here again. Vadakayil, as I told you. Okay, now type truth exhuming poll. All right, truth exhuming poll. Right, enter. There you go. Now you have all the polls searches in a chronological order, reverse way, at in front of you. All posts are there. Okay, right click, new tab, right click, new tab, right click, new tab. Keep filling these polls and show this method to all other users who are avid readers of Captain Ajit, and if any elders, help them get this link. But you have all the list of polls very conveniently at your hand, right? So that's about it. I have no queries here, and this is a short video. I will end this soon. If for any doubts, anything on this, please mention in the comments, and I recommend everyone to use this.